Hi, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. We're going to be going inside the ad of CVS. I'm excited. We're so close to the holidays. And this ad, it was weird. It doesn't have the date on the top. It's right here, December 22nd to the 28th. So this is going to be during the holidays. And it says most stores open Christmas Eve and Christmas Day to see when you're going to might be able to go in and do those deals. I went through the ad. The ad is a small ad. Once I was going through, I was like, wow, there's not that many deals, but I really had to go in and I was able to find some deals and moneymaker already. So let's go through the ad and let's see what's there, what you might be excited about for this week's deal. So right here, the ad looks already a little bit different. It's mostly all holidays, chocolate, which is what you see the most, also perfumes, buy 2 get 10. And then we see here the Reese's Hershey's Holiday Kisses or miniatures, 2 for $6, buy 2 get 2. But check out if you have any CRTs, that way the amount will be less. I remember every year we used to have in the holidays and we used to get a lot of coupons. So it's strange that we don't have that many coupons yet, but there's a lot of CRTs printing this week. So if this is something you want to do, just pair those, that way you save a lot more. Then we have these chocolates here, buy 1 get 1 free. So let's continue on with the first page. And as you see, more designer fragrance gift, buy 1 get 5. And the only thing I don't like about this ad specifically, a lot of the items will not show the price, so it's hard to put it together or see what the deal may be. But in this one, you buy 2 of these sodas, the Coke 6-pack or the 7.5 ounce mini cans, buy 2 get 1, and it's a limit of 1. And then we have the cosmetics on this section. We have Maybelline Cosmetics, buy 2 get 4. And for Revlon is buy 1 get 1 50% off. And as you know, this week we're getting mystery coupons printing, and that one printed for $3 was a CRT. And then we have L'Oreal continuing with the same deal, spend 15 get 5. Guys, if you haven't seen my video, I did my haul for yesterday, December 15, and I did a L'Oreal cosmetic deal, and it came out to a moneymaker just using mostly CRTs, and I didn't have any coupons, so you could check that out. Because if you get those CRTs for this week, you might be able to do the same deal and get it free and moneymaker. Since it's the same deal as this week, spend 15 get 5. So then we're gonna start with the second page. And we see that here it says that we're going to get 1 off 2 coupon on Hershey's singles at the Extra Care coupon centers, that mean in the Red Box machine. And as you already see, it's going to be 2 for 2, but we're going to be getting a coupon 1 off 2. So we continue seeing more items. Here we have the spa and wellness gift card. That's the only one that is in the promotion, spend 50 get 10. And then we have more of the chocolates here. It says that we need to see the shelf for the week special. Probably might be 2 for 6 or maybe 2 for 5, since they're not offering any ECB. And this is the same deal we just saw in the first page. So moving on, we're gonna see the other ones that are gonna be, there's a few for this type of item. So if you really want to stock up on Scotch tape and other supplies, buy 1 get 1 50% off, spend 20 get 5. I believe there's another one in the page too. You see it here at the beginning of the ad. Any CVS batteries or Caliber stationery, the same deal as well. So you could just mix and match and see what you really guys need if you need to start getting ready with all those items for like the tape and the batteries. So we continue, and another deal that we see here, spend 20 get 5. This is a separate deal, and this one includes Charmin Ultra, the Bounty Ultra. You could just mix and match, and it says that there's going to be coupons. This means it's going to be digital coupons sent to card. So there's a very easy deal. What you could do is just buy 3, since they're going to be on special for $6.99, and just select a coupon for the Bounty, 1 for Charmin. That way you have 2, at least 2 digital coupons selected for you. So once you buy 3, they should come out to $20.97. And if you're able to use 2 of those digital coupons, and if you have any CRTs that says 2 off 10 for toilet paper and paper towels, or any CRTs that you have, let's say it's $3 or maybe $2, now your total is deducted $4, so you pay $16.97, you get 5, and this will come out to $3.99. but it depends which CRTs you have, because if you have two of 10, then you will be able to save even more. So it just depends which CRTs you may have. You might be able to save a lot more. And then we continue here and we see that Hershey's King size or Twizzlers are going to be for $1.88. These are the really big size, as you can see in the picture. And the deal is buy one get one, so they will come out to 88 cents, and it's a limit of one. We just have to be on the lookout, because sometimes around this time we might see some printables. Maybe we might see printables on Sunday. If there is, I will let you guys know. So, but in the meantime, just 88 cents for the king size is a pretty good deal. So now let's move on to the third page of this ad, and now we have all the snacks, and we have been seeing these snacks, most of them on special for a few weeks now. Sometimes we have coupons for pistachios. I don't know if it had expired. They tend to be very expensive, but with that coupon it does help bring down the price. And also you could just, guys, mix and match. Remember, we have a CRT that does say I think it's 2 off 10 for nuts, so then you could just mix and match, and I think that will be a really good deal. Also applying a manufacturer coupon. We also have a manufacturer coupon for Blue Diamond. I'm not sure when does it expire. That coupon deducts $1.50 off too, so this will make it a good deal as well. And like I mentioned, you could just mix and match and use that CRT. So we also have been getting a lot of CRTs also for Lay's. I believe it's $1 off 4. So you just buy a few of these for $2.99. Check there was a printable coupon, but this coupon is not really printable. You just have to sign up to this coupon. I believe it's straight from their website, and they will send the coupon through to the mail, and they don't take that long to send it. So if you're interested, start signing up, so that way once the deal starts, you may have that coupon already in the mail, or maybe for future deals. Then we have Frosted Flakes also for $1.99. I am loving this deal here. We're back to the Giorno, the 12-inch pizza. This one excludes stuffed crust. The price are going to be on special, 2 for $11, so you need to buy 2, because once you buy 2, you're going to get 2 ECB. There is coupons. Remember, there's digital coupons, and there's also, I don't know if you have not used it, there was a digital coupon deducting 5 off 3. And also we received some manufacturer coupon on the Retail Me Now December 8th, deducting $1.50. So if you buy 2 and you use those 2 coupons deducting $1.50, it's going to deduct 3. But we have a CRT that it says deducting $3 when you buy 10 any food item, beverage, so you could pair that CRT with that. If you're able to pair all those coupons with that CRT, you should pay about $5, but you're gonna get back to ECB, making it $3 for both, or $1.50 each. That will be, I think that's the best deal I've seen. $1.50 for each pizza. That will be a good deal. So check your CRTs, and if you have that coupon, or check if you have that digital coupon, so you don't miss out on this deal. And this is interesting too. The Oreos are going to be for $1. We have been getting CRTs for Oreos as well. If it includes this size, that could be a good way to pair that CRT. And then some of the beverage items here. As you know, we also have CRTs for beverage. We don't know the prices, what they're going to be on special for, but if this is something that you do want to purchase, you could pair those with those CRTs as well. So now let's continue on this section. It says free 6-piece beauty bag when you spend $30 on any cosmetics. I love this deal, and I usually spend $30 on most cosmetics, but most of the stores in Florida don't have any of the beauty bags. They don't even compensate or give you anything else. They just said that it's just while supplies last, and because we did not get it when this started, the shipment didn't come here because there was some storms passing by. We did kind of missed out on that, but if your stores have them, do take advantage of this. Usually you get a CRT, and you will be able to use that CRT and look in the store where that beauty bag is. So then you could take advantage of cosmetics for almost a good price, and then getting a free beauty bag. So then we're going to continue with all the beauty section on here, and we see that Rimmel is, the letter D is Rimmel, is spend 12 get 8. If you buy $12 worth of Rimmel items, there is no coupons, but if you have that CRT for cosmetics deducting 3 off 12, then you will pay $9. you will get back that 8 ECB, and it will just come out to $1 for a purchase for Rimmel. But guys, don't forget that I do like to do those best deal videos, and once I see what's the best deal idea, I will share that with you guys. Also, a printable list is included to make it easier for you, especially when we're in the holidays. That's why you don't have to stress. I just make it easier for you. So here we see Physicians Formula is buy one get one 50% off. Covergirl, I'm interested on this deal here. Covergirl, spend 15 get 7. And I'm going to tell you why I'm so excited for this deal, because this is a pretty high ECB that you're going to be getting back. And we have coupons that came on the Smart Source December 8, and sometimes it's printable. So if you don't have those coupons, I'm going to give you the printables. Sometimes we do get them, but they're $1. Also check the CVS app. There is coupons there as well. The mascara, or get one of the powder, which was one of the deals that I shared earlier, and it will come out to $15. There is a coupon in the CVS app deducting $1.50 for the mascara. And the coupons for the powder and for the mascara are for $2 each. And if you have that CRT deducting 3 off 12, that will be perfect. So now it will help bring down your total. And then you're gonna get back 7 ECB. So if the powder you store is around like $8.59 or so, then you compare it with that mascara, and this will come out to free using that CRT as well. It will come out to free and a little money maker. But to be more detailed, I will share that in the best deal video. So now let's move on to the following page, and I'm excited for this section, but sadly we don't have any coupons. Sometimes we get those printable coupons early on as soon as the ad starts. So if we get them, then this will be a really good deal. I'm excited for this deal as well. Soft soap body wash or liquid hand soap, buy one get one 50% off, buy two get 3, and it's a limit of 4. One of the deal ideas, if you're able to print the coupons in the website, the coupons are 50 cents each. And you compare those coupons with the CRT of 2 off 6. So I've seen them for $4.99, and the other one should be like $2.50. Using that CRT and those printable coupons. Also, the CVS app has a coupon. It says an in-app coupon for soft soap deducting 50 cents. So right there, it will deduct another $1.50 plus the 2 for the CRT. Your new total should come out to 3, and then you get 3, and this will come out to probably 50 cents if you're able to get those printable coupons. So this is a pretty good deal that I'm excited about. Aquaphor Eucerin, we've been having this deal for a few weeks. Spend 20 get 10. They are printable coupons. You just have to sign up and share that coupon. Once you share it, you get $3.50 is the value of that coupon. I did include this on my video on the haul that I just did. And if you have any CRTs for lotion, this could come out to easily $1 or so each. So this is a pretty good deal to keep an eye on. So we're gonna keep moving on with this page, or the following page. There's not that many great oral care deals. It does tell us that there's digital coupons on each. But this one is just buy two get the third one free, buy one get one 50% off. And we continue with the page. This one, there's going to be digital coupons as well. Buy one get one 50% off, spend 12 get 3, and it's a limit of 1. This one is you buy Kotex liners, pads, and tampons, buy 2 get 2. But as you can see, the liners, they're letting you know that you need to buy the bigger box, 40 to 50 count. So we no longer are able to get the ones that are about $1.79, because those usually bring like 16 or 18 count. So now we're going to move on with the following page. We have a lot of the vitamins that buy one get one 50% off. Then we see here Ricola or Halls. It says that it's going to be buy one get one 50% off. And if you get the Cool, there's a new one that came out that is called Cool Relief. That one costs about $3.39, so the other one should come out to $1.70. So together it will be $5.70 for the Ricola. Checkout 51 has an offer for the Cool Relief of $1. So the limit you could submit it for 2, And if you have a CRT, I got a CRT printed for Ricola for $1.50. So then this will come out to 79 cents each. So that's a pretty good deal. But only if you have the Cool Relief and if checkout 51 offer is still available when this ad starts. So we're gonna move on to the next page. And this is the last page. As I did mention, this is a very short ad. I'm excited for this one. This one is Jabalia. This one is a good coffee and it's a good price already for $4.99. There is no printable coupons or any manufacturer coupon, but you know we've been getting CRTs deducting 2 of 8 for coffee, so you could use that CRT for this once you buy 2. And checkout 51 and Saving Star, they have a cash back offer for Jabalia. It does say cafe at home. So if you do find that cafe and if that cafe is included on this deal for Jabalia, then that would be perfect because you will get $1 for checkout 51 and $1 for Saving Star, making it $2.99 for each bag. So this is a pretty good deal because even in Publix, this is a very expensive coffee bag. So very excited for this if that the cafe at home is included on that deal and if the checkout 51 offer is still available once this ad starts. We have a small spend 30 get 10. I believe that's a 3. Spend 30 get 10. This is a very small section here. I'm excited that Clean and Clear facial care is included, Neutrogena acne or hair care, and little items in there to see which one might be the best deal idea to do to take advantage of this offer. This one, it does say that the only way we're going to know what the special prices are going to be, we will have to see this week's special unless we see a new ad that does show the prices. So we're just going to see what might be the best deal to take advantage of this spend 30 get 10. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, they're $1.99, is already on special right here. That's a pretty good price. And there is coupons. We usually have coupons deducting $1 off too. So if there is, I will let you know which book it is, and if there's any printable, I will share them with you. Also, you could check the app in case. Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is giving 500 points for Lucky Charms and 500 points for Cinnamon Toast Crunch. So if you want to take advantage of $1 cash back from Fetch Rewards, then you could buy one of each. That way you get $1 back. So let's say we buy both. So we buy 2 for $1.99. And that will be $3.98. We use a coupon deducting $1 and then we submit it to Fetch Rewards and we get $1 back. Then this will come out to 99 cents each. Pretty good deal. So this is at the end of the ad. These are all the deals coming for the week of December 22nd to the 28th. I wanted to share with you guys. At first I was like, this does not look like a good ad. You guys could skip it, but going through it, there's some pretty good deals going on if you guys want to take advantage of them. In the meantime, I'm working on that best deal video also with the printable list to make it very easy if you guys want to go couponing during this when the ad starts, which is the holiday. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.